In this Bluehost coupon code video, I'm providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. To take advantage of the Bluehost coupon code discount, just click the link in the description below to be taken to Bluehost, so you can get up to 75% off your web hosting purchase, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the Bluehost web hosting page. Click the View Plans button, or scroll down to the Bluehost Plans section. You'll see you get Bluehost hosting at a discount for as low as $199 a month. You get 75% off the basic plan, getting web hosting for just $199 a month. The Choice Plus plan, you'll also get 75% off, getting hosting for just $399 a month. The e-commerce premium plan, you'll get 54% off, getting hosting for just $9.95 a month. The basic plan is a popular plan as it comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes SSD storage, and is ideal for 40,000 website visits per month. The Choice Plus plan is a great plan to have and is ideal for multiple sites needing storage, security, and backups. The plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes SSD storage, ideal for 200,000 website visits per month, free domain privacy for the first year, and daily website backups free for the first year. The e-commerce premium plan is a great plan if you're going to do online selling, as it comes with a bunch of e-commerce tools built in. The plan comes with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with, plus 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, e-commerce features such as WooCommerce auto install, store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, product subscriptions, wish list, visitor memberships, customer account customization, sales and promotions builder, and more. Once you choose a plan, you'll be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name. If you aren't sure on a domain name now, you can select the Choose a Domain Later option, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date. Next, you'll be on the cart page. You'll see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You'll get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and your account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. You've successfully taken advantage of the Bluehost coupon code discount. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments, as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.